So you're thinking about buying a home and don't know where to start. I got you covered. I'm Bernice, and I'm a licensed realtor in both Philly and Metro Atlanta. And by popular demand, I'm walking you through the entire home buying process one step at a time. Today, we're diving into step one, which is getting pre-approved. Before you even think about scheduling showings or scrolling through Zillow, let's talk about your budget. First, you have to consider your monthly income. A good rule of thumb is to spend no more than 30% of your income on household costs. Remember, you'll be paying this mortgage for years, possibly 30. So comfort and adaptability are key. I tell my clients all the time, you do not want to be house poor. Next up, we need to check your credit score. This determines loan programs you qualify for and what your interest rate will be. The higher the score, the better your options. Then there's down payment. Now, while 20% used to be the norm, you can buy a home with as little as 3.5% down using the FHA loan. Veterans and some USDA qualified buyers can even put 0% down. Now to the big question. How much do I need to buy a home? I usually tell my first time buyers to expect to spend 6 to 9% of the purchase price. Now, this includes 3.5% or more for your down payment, depending on your loan type and credit score. The remaining 3 to 6% in closing costs, which will be in closing costs, which can include lender fees, title fees, appraisals, and more. But here's the good news. You may qualify for down payment and closing cost assistance programs, especially in Philly and Atlanta. So check out my other videos where I break down the down payment and grant programs by city. Now that you understand your budget, it's time to get pre-approved. So pre-approval just means a lender has reviewed your finances and your credit and is ready to offer you a loan up to a certain amount. Now, sellers take pre-approved buyers more seriously, and it gives you a stronger advantage in this competitive market. If you're buying with cash, all we need is a bank statement showing that you got enough money to cover the purchase price and the closing costs. So here's what your lender will typically ask for. Proof of income. This is pay stubs, W-2s, tax return, invoices, things like that. Bank statements. This is to verify savings and assets. Credit check. Higher scores equal better interest rate. They're going to check your debt to income ratio to measure how much of your income goes to debt. They're going to check your employment verification. This just shows job stability. Assets, retirement accounts, investment savings. They're going to check your ID for identity and credit verification. So these are the steps to avoid when you're buying a house. Please do not do the following. Don't make large cash deposits without talking to your lender. Don't switch jobs or become unemployed. Don't finance a car or open new credit cards. Don't use your credit cards excessively or miss a payment. Don't spend the money that you save for closing. Don't omit debts and liabilities on your application. Please don't make any purchase of furniture until after closing. Don't switch bank accounts. And please don't co-sign loans for anyone. I know that sounds a lot, but trust me, staying steady during this time keeps your loan on track and gets you to the closing table smoothly. One time I had a client who opened a Best Buy credit card and had charges on the account. This delayed our closing for 2 weeks. Another time I had a co-buyer who quit their job during the transaction. This changed the entire debt to income ratio for both buyers. The primary buyer could not carry the mortgage on their own. So guess what? The mortgage was denied and they were no longer qualified to purchase that home. Before making any major decisions, please consult your realtor. Hopefully that's me or your lender. We can let you know if it will make or break the deal. And if you're not sure where to start, I'd be happy to connect you with one of my trusted lender partners. Just shoot me an email and I will send you a list. Now that's it for step one, which is getting pre-approved. In the next video, we'll talk about how to find a realtor, the right realtor, to guide you through your journey. Drop your questions in the comments below. Email me if you're ready to start the process or want those lenders. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for the rest of this home buying series. Let's get you into your new home. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Love you. Bye.